Hello, my name is Jerry and I'm the artist who worked on the pictures in this book, Where Are You Puffling, written by Erica McGann. Now I know we're all stuck inside and we're doing our best not to be bored, but there's so many books to be read and there's so many things we can do. And something I love to do is to draw. Do we all like to draw? Yes! So I was thinking, I've already done a video of Puffling and of a whale and of a puffin. I think we will draw a rabbit. If you'd like to draw a rabbit with me, step by step, it'll be lots of fun. There's a little rabbit here. Where's the page with our rabbit? Somewhere. There she is. That's where Puffling helps her to dig a burrow. So we can draw this rabbit step by step. Okay. Fresh page. I'm going to start with her head up here and then we're going to go all the way down the page with the rest of her body. So rabbits have big long ears. Let's start off with her ears. One ear here. Nice and long. And then the other ear just about there. Nice and long too. Rabbits don't have one long ear and one short ear. They have two long ears. We put in her face. Let's put in her nose then. Little circle. And then going back down here, a line like that. Stop it around there. So she's looking over that way with her twitchy nose. Now we'll do her whiskers and all in a minute, but first I just want to put in the rest of her body. So I'm going to go down, watch this, a line going down, and now we're into her front paw. So that means I'm going to go up a little bit to about there for her first paw. Okay, now if I'm going too quickly, just pause the video and then you can catch up. Then we'll put in the other paw, right there. Put in her like that as well. I'll pause. Okay, so the rest of her, she'll have a big back leg or hind leg with a huge foot. And then we can go from here down to her back, big line going down like that, down to a fluffy tail about here. Okay. Now, she's missing something over here. Her belly! Let's stick in belly shape, and then the other back paw will be visible there. We can put in little toes. Okay, so she can't see a thing. We need to give our rabbit her eye. So we're going to put in this round circle for the rabbit's eye. She could be looking at something the ground. I'm going to give her a little smile. And whiskers. Rabbits have whiskers. A couple there, a couple there. She's twitching that nose. Okay, what could the rabbit be looking at? Well, you could really use your imagination. You could put anything that you like down there. I think what I'll do is another little rabbit, a baby rabbit. Okay? So baby rabbit's going to be looking up. Now you can follow along as well if you like. That's the nose. Then the head is smaller. It's just a line about that far. And then we can put in one ear and put in the other ear behind it. Then the rest of the little baby rabbit's head be about there. And I'm going to watch this now. Show the fluffy tail on this side. Okay. Then put in those two front paws, because again this little rabbit is standing up. Well, it's best that a rabbit can stand up on its back legs. So we'll put in the back leg next, about here. And then the belly. And then the other little back leg. That's the rabbit's toes. And I've left it to last again, which is the rabbit's eye. He needs to be able to see. Now he can see. Put in that there. and little whiskers as well. So we've got big mum rabbit and a baby rabbit, and I'm just going to finish off with her other ear, just like that there. Okay, so that was fun. If you've drawn a rabbit or any of the other animals that I'm drawing, you can ask a grown-up if you like to share it with everyone online on the social medias, and they can post it to #DrawAPuffin. Now I know this isn't a puffin, this is a rabbit, but I'm just putting in draw a puffin for all of them now. All right, there's our rabbit. Thank you, bye bye.